Hello everyone. Today I'm going to present experimental implementation of k-means clustering for customer segmentation. In this presentation, I will explain the objective of the experiment, the working of the k-means algorithm, the execution and results, and finally the applications of clustering. First, the content overview. What is clustering? What is k-means algorithm? Steps in k-means clustering, dataset used, execution process, results and visualization. These are the things we are going to see in this presentation. First, objective of the experiment. The main objective of this experiment is to understand how clustering works in machine learning. We use the k-means algorithm to group customers based on similar characteristics. The experiment helps us identify different types of customers, which is used for marketing and business strategies. What is clustering? Clustering is an unsupervised machine learning technique used to group data points that are similar to each other. There are no labels or predefined categories. The algorithm automatically forms groups based on patterns in the data. This helps us discover hidden structures and relationships in the dataset. What is k-means algorithm? K-means is one of the most widely used clustering algorithms. It divides the data into k distinct clusters where each cluster is represented by a centroid. The algorithm assigns data points to the nearest centroid and updates the centroids until the clusters become stable. It is fast, simple, and works well for many real-world datasets. Steps in k-means clustering. First, choose the number of clusters k and then select k initial centroids. Next, assign each data point to the nearest centroid and then calculate centroids based on assigned points. And at last, repeat until no changes occur. Next, the dataset used. In this experiment, we use the mall customers dataset. It includes information like customer ID, gender, age, annual income, and spending score. For clustering, we mainly use two features, annual income and spending score. These two values help us understand a customer's purchasing capacity and behavior. Next, the execution process. The execution involves several steps. First, we load the dataset and select the required features. Next, we use the elbow method to find the optimal number of clusters. Then we apply the k-means algorithm to segment the customers. Finally, we visualize the clusters to clearly see how the customers are grouped. Next, what is elbow method? The elbow method is used to decide the best number of clusters. We calculate the within cluster sum of squares for different values of k. When we plot the graph, we look for the point where the curve bends like an elbow. That point indicates the ideal number of clusters. In our experiment, the elbow appears around 5 clusters. Next, the results and the visualization. After applying k-means clustering, we get clear customer segments. Each cluster contains customers with similar spending patterns and income levels. The visual scatter plot shows these clusters in different colors. This helps us easily identify high spending groups, low spending groups, and average customers. Next, applications of k-means clustering. K-means clustering has many practical applications. It is widely used for customer segmentation, market analysis, and targeted marketing. Companies use it for recommendation systems to personalize offers. It is also helps in fraud detection, pattern recognition, and even image compression. Overall, it is highly useful technique in various domains. At last, the conclusion. To conclude, K-means is a simple yet powerful clustering algorithm that helps in understanding customer behavior. Through this experiment, we successfully implemented customer segmentation and analyzed the results. This technique helps businesses make better decisions and improve their marketing strategies. Thank you.